Morocco's culinary secrets are a feast for the senses, an exotic journey of flavors and traditions, a land where spices and herbs dance together to create intricate mosaics of taste, where tea isn't just a beverage, but a symbol of hospitality and friendship. Here, eating isn't just about nourishment, it's a communal experience, a celebration of culture and connection. A myriad of dishes, each telling a story, each inviting you to partake in their rich heritage. Embark on this culinary journey and discover the hidden gems of Moroccan cuisine. My first encounter with Moroccan food was an experience that left a lasting impression. It was a feast for the senses, beginning with the vibrant colors of the dishes, followed by the aromatic symphony of spices that beckoned me to partake in the culinary delight that awaited. The first dish that I tried was a traditional Moroccan tagine. This slow-cooked stew was a medley of tender meat and vegetables, simmered to perfection in a rich sauce of exotic spices. The meat was succulent, melting away at the slightest touch, while the vegetables retained a slight crunch, providing a delightful contrast in texture. But what truly set this dish apart was the tagine pot it was cooked in, a unique earthenware vessel that not only cooked the food but also served as a dish to eat from, embodying the Moroccan ethos of simplicity and functionality. Next came the couscous, a staple food of Morocco. It was light and fluffy, each grain distinct yet harmoniously blending with the flavors of the dish it was served with. It was the perfect accompaniment to the tagine, absorbing the rich sauce and enhancing its flavors. The communal aspect of the meal was something that truly resonated with me. In Morocco, everyone shares from the same dish, signifying unity and togetherness. It was a heartwarming experience, breaking bread with others and sharing in the joy of a meal, lovingly prepared. The experience was unforgettable, a delightful dance of flavors that I had never before encountered. Moroccan cuisine stands out as a unique culinary experience. Vibrant, aromatic, and deeply rooted in tradition, it's a cuisine that is as diverse as the country's history and geography. At the heart of Moroccan dishes are staple ingredients like saffron, the world's most expensive spice, which adds a distinct flavor and golden hue to dishes. Mint, olives, and lemons also play crucial roles, adding layers of freshness, tang, and depth. The uniqueness of Moroccan cuisine is also reflected in the slow cooking methods, where flavors are allowed to develop and meld over time. One can't discuss Moroccan cuisine without mentioning the tagine, a traditional clay cooking pot that has become synonymous with the country's culinary culture. It's in this conical vessel where magic happens, as ingredients transform into rich, hearty stews. And let's not forget the importance of bread in every meal, serving as both utensil and accompaniment, soaking up those delicious flavors. Moroccan cuisine is a sensory journey, a celebration of tradition and flavor that leaves a lasting impression on every palate.